Welcome to our comparison of the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker and the Antarctic Star countertop ice maker. Today, we will dive into the features, pricing, and performance of these two popular ice makers. Whether you're hosting a party, going camping, or just want to enjoy cold drinks at home, finding the right ice maker is essential. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker is priced at $94 United States dollars, while the Antarctic Star countertop ice maker is more budget-friendly at $69 United States dollars. This makes the Antarctic Star a more appealing option for those looking to save money without sacrificing functionality. In terms of ice production speed, the Igloo model creates 8 pieces of ice every 7 to 8 minutes, while the Antarctic Star is slightly faster, producing 8 ice cubes in just 6 minutes. This speed advantage could be crucial for users who need ice quickly, especially during gatherings. Both the Igloo and Antarctic Star models boast an impressive daily ice production capacity of 26 pounds. This means that regardless of which model you choose, you'll have plenty of ice available for your needs, whether it's for parties, barbecues, or everyday use. In conclusion, both the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker and the Antarctic Star countertop ice maker offer excellent features and performance. The Igloo model is a bit pricier, but includes a self-cleaning feature, while the Antarctic Star is more affordable and slightly faster in ice production. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.